Morning guys, it is actually 7:53 a.m. on a Saturday. We are really late, but we are officially rolling right now. So starting here at Kundalahalli Gate, we will take a left from Bharturkere and we'll take the Whitefield main road. So best part about Saturday is really less traffic. As you can see, it usually beat traffic on weekdays, but today it is less. Let's hope for this throughout our whole journey. We'll cruise straight towards the Hoskote toll. Now the map is showing 266 kilometers. We will go but in around 5 hours 30 minutes, but I think it will take 1 hour or 2 hour more because as you can see, the roads are wet, and yesterday night it rained heavily, and the weather is also little cloudy and humid. So I think at the road also we will get rain, and we need to stop maybe some places. Okay, let's that we can also cover. But yeah, no worries. So now this in the city we will go little cautious, but once the Hoskote toll we cross, there will be really good sceneries, and you I think you will really love it. So let's uh, jump back to the Hoskote toll, and once we cross it, we'll meet again. Man, we have just covered about 80 kilometers. And look at the bike, yaar. It literally caked in mud. Riding after yesterday's crazy rain was no joke. Just splashing through everything. We just crossed Kolar and finally took a pit stop in Muruggan Idli to catch some breath. And honestly, riding in this weather makes you instantly hungry. So I am. Just check out this bread, guys. Garma garam crispy masala dosa, two solid medu vada, sweet modak, and fresh chutney. I am going to completely smash this breakfast. Get my energy back and hitting the highway again. Let's eat. So it's around 11 a.m. and we are just crossing the JSR toll, and right after the toll we will we saw that board that Chittor is 66 kilometer away. We were making pretty solid time, cruising smoothly around 70-80 kmph. But guys, just look at the sky up ahead. It was completely packed with these crazy dark clouds, and basically it is giving us the warning that things are about to get messy. And yep, fast forward to exactly 12 p.m. and the clouds are just dumped everything on us. It started pouring so hard and so fast. I was half wet before I could get a spot to pull over. Managed to drag the bike into a random bus stop, but yeah, maybe we need to just chill for some time until the rain stops. No more talking, just enjoy the sceneries. finally reached here in Bhudevi complex. We need to collect the slots and we need to get in the queue. And after that, we will get a slot slip. So when we can visit. So let's see when we get that slot. I hope that it will not today. Okay, let's go. At the end, we got this slip. So we have some criteria to get this slip. First of all, you need to carry Aadhaar card. That can be a image or a Xerox or a original Aadhaar card, but you need to show it to them. They will click a picture and they will give a slip to that where we can see that yeah that day that time you need to present there. So yeah, so we got the slot for tomorrow noon. So I thought let's go out for some time and we can just roam around and see what is there near us. So it is pretty clean city and you can see the lightings also. So we did not came in any special day. So I think it will be all over the year. So just see it. It's let's say feels like Durga Puja in our place. So yeah, let's go and see. So we are ending Tirupati day one here only. So in next video we'll go to Tirupati. So we are basically in Tirumala. Tirupati is on top of the hill. So we will go there by bus, bike, or by walk. We can go there. So yeah, we will reach there. We will see it in next video. For today, Tata, bye bye, good night.